YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Young, man. I'm back with another vid. Hey, we about to do this POV in the Durango SRT, man. So, looky here, man. This mug ride clean. This mug ride smooth and hard. You feel me? So, man, so what's it like riding here? Big sunroof. Yeah. Big sunroof. But yeah, man, you about to get this POV footage, y'all. So go ahead and check it out. So, see what we got. 34,868 miles on the Durango 392. I did buy this used. Bought it with 25 or 26,000 miles, and it's coming up on a year in a couple weeks, so we still ain't put 10,000 miles on this, y'all. So hey, that's why I like to see 10,000 miles or less. But man, let's get this POV footage, man. You see the light up SRT logo. The most iconic logo probably be forever. Forever. Man. Let's turn this down right quick. Now, I don't know if y'all can hear this truck. I'm pretty sure y'all can. If y'all can't, we're gonna crack back windows right quick so y'all can get the feel. It's 392 Durango SRT, man. And we in auto mode, which is eco. Popping up a storm, y'all, for real. This Durango got more popcorn than your theater, your local theater, you feel me? Oh man, with my seatbelt on. Y'all be like them other big YouTubers. Put your seatbelt on. Alright, man. But man, if y'all know where we at, we are in Toledo, Ohio, downtown, man. So, like I said, small city, but it is what it is, man. It's another thing I like about this, man. Or technology, newer technology now. It shows you the one-way streets and the two-way streets, man, because it got the directional. See, the next street you may pull up to, it's straight. It's going one way. It showed out on the arrows, man. Big loud, you feel me? I know y'all heard that, man. I don't know how it come out on camera, but on the video, but I'm gonna see, I guess, when I rewatch it myself. But man, if you want to know if you want to get a Durango, if you already got a Charger, I'm gonna tell you right now, Durango just makes you feel like a big boy truck. You know what I mean? Big boy truck with a big motor that can perform like a car. So hey, you will not be disappointed, man. And you get the third row seat for your family if y'all got a lot of kids, man. Like I said, we in eco mode right now, which I love eco mode, man, just for the fact point, like the throttle response is not there. So if you really want to get on it, you have to really put the pedal down in eco mode. So when you lightly touch it, the car barely moves, man. So right now, it's almost like it's taking its time to rev. You know what I mean? Shift smoothly in eco mode. Man, like, it's just a nice, cool ride, man. And you really can keep it on eco mode too, man. You really can. Just keep it on eco mode. Unless you really want to get down and do something. Now we're gonna put it in sport mode real quick. The custom setting, I would say. Now everything's quicker. Shifts are quicker. You hear them pops? I wonder if y'all heard them pops, man. Out here making popcorn. Hear these downshifts right quick. Popcorn crazy, man. About to go watch a movie, y'all. I'm in manual gear right now. Y'all can see on the dash. And you hear that bitch popping. Shit. Pussy popping. You feel me? Shit. But man, all I know is once you get a V8, you don't why would you go back to a V6? I really can't see. I can't see going back to a V6 now. A V6 performance car. Let's put it like that. I'm shifting with the paddle shifters that's up here. Creating popcorn today. You feel me? I know like y'all like to see you look left and right, you know what I mean? Like y'all driving. But yeah. And this mug got 8 gears. Like sometimes like going down on one is unnecessary, man. People yelling this shit. Don't cross, man. Don't cross. You tipsy. Little nightlife for downtown Toledo, man. Yeah, man, it's just real cool, man. I do this for my car people, real car people. I hope y'all enjoying this POV footage right now. Just cruising downtown Toledo, Ohio, man. In a big 392, you feel me? So, And I hope, man, anybody striving to get one of these vehicles, man, I hope y'all get it, man. I hope y'all enjoy it when y'all do. Because I guarantee you will if you never drove one before. Or any V8 Hemi. Here, these buildings are kind of high, so let's see how loud this car can get. See if y'all can hear it. I'm gonna go hit it once the light turn green. But yeah, man, I'm still on custom mode right now with the paddle shifters. Traction off. Yeah, man. Start charging off all this popcorn, man. Real talk. But yeah, man, I hope y'all like this POV footage, man. Hey, y'all like, share, subscribe, man. Please comment, man. Anything y'all want to see, anything that y'all want me to talk about, man, I can do it for y'all, man. So hey, man, subscribe, like, share. Hey, see y'all next video, man. It's your boy Young, back at it again with another one. Green light gang. Should I smash it? See y'all next vid. Peace.
Damn, okay.